Harriet's on the couch. Hey, Harriet, you want a chair ride? Come on. Someone in the comments said to hug Richard and Harriet for them. Well, I'm just petting Richard and Harriet. They like that better. But yeah, I petted Richard and Harriet for you. And I'll do it in this video. The fantasy football starts back up tomorrow after work and class. There's Richard resting on the cat bed. And there I am petting him. It's early, but I'll get ready for sleep. My fantasy basketball team took the lead, but my opponent has more players tonight. It'll be close. I'm in second place in fantasy football, but I could be in first if I beat first place this week in the big showdown. And in fantasy basketball, I am in third place, 3 out of 10.